Today I'm traveling in a stunning glass mansion motorhome. Stay with me till the end, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell icon on Apex Motorhome.
Stop scrolling right now, because this is not just an RV. This is a $750,000 moving glass mansion that completely redefines luxury travel in 2026. Welcome back to Apex Motorhome, the home of next-level RV experiences. If you love insane luxury like this, hit subscribe and join the family, because what you're about to see is absolutely unreal. From the outside, this double-decker motorhome looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. The entire body is wrapped in panoramic smart glass, combined with sharp LED lighting accents that glow beautifully at night. Its aerodynamic design not only looks futuristic but also enhances performance on long highway drives across the USA. Now let's step inside the lower deck, and instantly you're welcomed into a massive open-concept living space. Floor-to-ceiling glass surrounds the entire area, giving you breathtaking views wherever you go. Imagine parking near the mountains, just like this scene, where a husband and wife are sitting outside with warm tea, enjoying the sunset as the sky turns orange. That exact peaceful vibe follows you inside this motorhome. The main lounge area is designed for pure comfort. Plush reclining sofas, soft ambient lighting, and a massive 8K smart display dominate the space. Here, the same couple is now sitting together, watching their favorite movie, completely immersed in a cinematic experience while the world outside slowly fades into night. Right beside the lounge, we move into the fully equipped luxury kitchen. This is not just functional, it's premium in every sense. Marble countertops, induction cooking, a smart refrigerator, hidden cabinets, and even a built-in coffee station make it feel like a modern American home. Whether you're cooking breakfast or preparing a dinner during your road trip, everything is right here. Next to the kitchen, there's a beautifully designed dining area with a floating table and elegant seating. The glass walls make every meal feel like you're dining in nature itself. Now let's talk about the lower deck bathroom. And yes, it's stunning. You get a full glass-enclosed shower, a modern vanity with LED mirrors, premium fittings, and enough space to feel like a luxury hotel. No compromises here at all. Moving forward, we reach one of the most important parts, the driving cabin. This cockpit is fully futuristic, featuring digital displays, advanced navigation systems, and smart driving assistance. The captain's seats are ultra-comfortable, giving you full control while still maintaining that luxury feel. Driving this isn't just travel, it's an experience. Alright, now let's head upstairs to the second deck, and this is where things truly feel like a penthouse on wheels. As you walk up the illuminated staircase, you enter the upper lounge area. This space is more private, more relaxed, and designed for pure enjoyment. There's a mini bar, stylish seating, and even a retractable glass roof. Imagine lying back here at night, watching the stars through the open roof. This is next-level living. Now we move into the master bedroom, and this is where luxury peaks. A king-size bed sits perfectly centered, surrounded by smart glass walls. You can switch from full transparency to total privacy instantly. Soft lighting, built-in storage, and a large entertainment screen make this space feel like a five-star suite. And yes, there's also a second bathroom on the upper deck. Just like downstairs, it features a premium shower, modern fixtures, and elegant design, ensuring complete comfort and privacy for both levels. Every inch of this motorhome is powered by smart technology, solar energy systems, automated climate control, and intelligent features that make life on the road effortless. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a lifestyle. Imagine traveling across America, stopping anywhere you want, watching sunsets in the mountains, enjoying movies at night, and waking up to new views every single day. If this blew your mind, make sure you subscribe to Apex Motorhome right now, because we bring you the most insane luxury vehicles on the planet. And tell me, would you travel the world in this $750,000 glass mansion? Or is this just too futuristic for you?